Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about the order of basicity of amines. Okay friends, this is the very important concept in AE set. AE set means Andhra University Common Entrance Exam Test. Okay friends, now in this video we are going to discuss about the order of basicity of amines. Okay friends, now start this section. See this board. Friends, in this particular video, we are going to discuss about the order of basicity of amines. The amines is primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about the primary, secondary, tertiary amines basicity. Okay friends, now in this primary, secondary, tertiary amine basicity in two phases, I am explained in this video. One is gaseous phase and second one is aqueous phase. Okay friends, in this primary, secondary, tertiary amine gases and aqueous phase, I am discuss the order of basicity. Okay friends, now what happened there friends, in this gaseous phase and aqueous phase, in the basicity order of find out the primary, secondary, tertiary amines in three effects are present in there. It means three theories are explained that this basicity order. First one is plus I effect. Okay friends, plus I effect. Plus I effect means inductive effect. Okay friends, plus I effect. Now how to consider a primary amines, like for example plus I effect. Plus I effect is very high. What happens friends? Amines basicity is increases. Amines basicity is increases. Now I am talking about plus I effect is increases, amines basicity is increases. Now what is basis? Basis is electron donors. Okay friends, electron donors is also called as basis. Now what happens friends? Plus I effect is increases. What happens friends? Amine basicity is increases. Now I am considering a primary amine like this. Okay friends, R bond NH2. In this primary amine, what happens friends? This alkyl group is electron donate in this nitrogen. Now what happens friends? Nitrogen electron density is increases. Whenever electron density is increases, what happens friends? Electron easily donate. Okay friends, this is the basic nature. And now this is the primary amine. Now we have to consider a secondary amine. Okay friends, this is RNH2. Now we have to consider a RNH. In this secondary amine, what happens? Two alkyl groups are present in there. These two alkyl groups are electron donates. It means electron donating groups. What happens there friends? When this nitrogen is highly electron negativity. Okay friends, it means electron negativity of, it means electron density is increases in this nitrogen in secondary amine. But in this case, one alkyl group is present in there. In this secondary amines, what happens? Two alkyl groups are present in there. In these two alkyl group are present in there, what happens friends? Nitrogen electron density is very high with compared to the primary. Okay friends, now another amine is tertiary amine. Tertiary amine is three alkyl groups are present in there. Okay friends, three alkyl groups are present in there. Now what happens friends? This is the more plus I effect. Okay friends, more plus I effect. What happens friends? Amines basicity is increases. Okay friends, in this nitrogen is very high electron density is present in here, but in the secondary amines is with compared to the primary, this is high electron negativity. It means high electron density, and this primary amine is like this. Now what is the basicity friends? Basicity means the electrons is easily donated. It means electrons in this case highly electron density is present in there with compared to the secondary and tertiary. What happens friends? In this tertiary amine is plus I effect is very high. Whenever plus I effect is very high, what happens friends? Amines basicity is increases. So in this plus I effect is explain the basicity order of primary, secondary, tertiary amines is like this. Okay friends, tertiary amine is very high basicity with compared to the secondary and primary. Okay friends, in this case is only explain the gaseous phase. Okay friends, in gaseous phase, what is the order of basicity in primary, secondary, tertiary amines friends? Note this point friends, note this point. The point is basicity order. Okay friends, basicity order of amines. Basicity order of amines like primary, secondary, tertiary in gaseous phase. Okay friends, in gaseous phase. Okay friends, now I am talking about gases phase basicity order in primary, secondary, tertiary amine is like this. Okay friends, tertiary amine is more basic with compared to the secondary and primary due to plus psi effect. Okay friends, this is clear friends. This is first effect and second effect is explain the basicity order. The second effect is solvation effect. Okay friends, solvation effect. Okay friends, effect. Okay friends, now what is solvation effect? Okay friends, solvation effect means now you have to consider a amine. The amine is like this R NH2. This amine is solvation. Solvation means water molecules. Now water, now in this amines is soluble in nature. It means these are amines are water soluble. The water friends in water is present in air. Water friends, water is H plus ions is present in there. This H plus ions is this amine is basic in nature. So electron is donor. Water friends, it's form a cation. Okay friends, it form a cation. Whenever the cation is stable, what happens friends, this amine is more basic. This is the basic concept. Okay friends, solvation effect means the H plus ions is attract of this NH2. It means highly electronegativity of nitrogen. What happens friends, to form a cation, this cation is more stable. In this amine is more basic. Now what happened there friends, in this case what happened friends, first one is the primary amine. Primary amine is like this. In now I am talking about this solvation. Okay friends, nitrogen in now I am talking about this primary amine is present in the water. What happens friends, to form a cation like this. This is the RNH H cation. Okay friends, now in this form is present in this amine is present in the water. Okay friends, this cation is present in there and secondary amine is like this. Okay friends, secondary amine cation is like this. Okay friends, secondary amine is two alkyl groups are present in there and represented to tertiary is like this. Three alkyl groups are present in there in these cations. Okay friends, in cation form like this. Okay friends, in this is the primary and secondary, tertiary. These three amines are in cation form is like this when the solvation. Okay friends, these amines are soluble in water. So what happens friends, in the H plus ions is attract in this primary amine is in this cation, secondary amine is secondary cation and this is the tertiary amine cation. Now what happened there friends, now the concept is energy friends, energy is decreases. What happened friends, energy is decreases, stability is increases. Okay friends, the concept is energy is decreases, stability is increases. Friends, in this primary, secondary, tertiary amine, what happens friends, in this primary amine is present in water. It means the water molecule is attract to this H plus. It means water molecule and hydrogen is due to the hydrogen bonding is present in there. Whenever hydrogen bonding is present in there, what happens friends, potential energy, it means energy is decreases. In this primary amine case, three water molecules are attracted. It means the energy is decreases. Okay friends, in this OH2 is attract to this H. It means hydrogen bonding is present in the hydrogen and hydrogen bonding. Due to hydrogen bonding, what happens friends, in these three hydrogen bonding is present in the three water molecule. What happens friends, the energy is decreases. Whenever energy is decreases, what happens in this primary amine is stability is increases. Okay friends, that is the basic concept. And second one is in the secondary amine, water molecules is present in here. Okay friends, now what happens friends, water molecules is attract to this hydrogen. What happens friends, due to hydrogen bonding is present in there, this is the less energy is released. Okay friends, in this case is more energy is released, so energy is decreases. It means potential energy is decreases, but in this case less energy is released. Okay friends, due to hydrogen bond, water molecule and this hydrogen, what happens friends, attracting, what happens friends, the energy is decreases, that energy is released. So and whenever energy is released, it means stability is increases. With compared to the tertiary, what happens friends, tertiary is only one hydrogen is present in A. So in this case, what happens friends, in these three water molecules are bonded to this primary and this is secondary is 2 and tertiary is 1. It means I am talking about cation. Okay friends, cation is present in there. Now what happens friends, energy is decreases. It means potential energy is decreases. This is the more stable. So in this primary amine is more stable with compared to the secondary and tertiary. Whenever stability is increases, what happens friends? One more point, stability is increases. What happens friends? Stability is increases, basicity is increases. Okay friends, basicity is increases, stability is increases, basicity is increases. So this primary amine is more basic due to solvation effect. In this case is aqueous solution. It means aqueous phase. Okay friends, in aqueous phase solvation effect, what happens friends? Primary amine is more basic with compared to the secondary and tertiary. Okay friends, this is so much important friends. Solvation effect is explain them in aqueous phase. What happens friends? Primary amine is more basic with compared to the secondary and tertiary. But in plus I effect is explained in gaseous state. What happens friends? Basicity order of primary secondary amines is like this. Okay friends, tertiary amine is more basic with compared to the secondary and tertiary. Okay friends, this is the plus I effect and this is the solvation effect. Okay friends, next one more effect is the effect is steric hindrance. Okay friends, this is clear friend. First of all, this is arise. Okay friends, now I am talking about basicity order of primary, secondary, tertiary amine. Okay friends, first effect is friends, in first effect, the effect is plus I effect. Okay friends, plus I effect, basicity order of primary, secondary amine is tertiary amine is more basic with compared to the secondary and primary. Okay friends, this is the basicity order of explain the plus I effect. Okay friends, I am talking about the primary, secondary, tertiary amine. Okay friends, in second effect, solvation effect. Friends, in solvation effect is explain the primary, secondary, tertiary amine basic order is primary amine is more basic with compared to the secondary and tertiary. This is the basicity order of primary, secondary, tertiary amine is solvation effect, and this is the plus I effect. In third effect is steric. Friends, in third effect is steric hindrance. Okay friends, steric hindrance. This is so much important. Friends, what is steric hindrance? Steric hindrance means cloudiness. Okay friends, steric hindrance means cloudiness. Whenever cloudiness is very high, what happens friends? The electron approaches is cannot easily. That is the main concept. Now what happens friends? Now we have to consider a primary amine. Okay friends, in this case what happens friends? In this alkyl group is also called as bulky group. So this is called as cloudiness. Whenever cloudiness is in this primary case, what happens? Cloudiness is very less. So electron approaches is easily. Whenever electron approaches is easily, it is a nature is basic nature. It means more basic nature. In the case in primary amine is cloudiness is 1. It means alkyl group is present in 1. But in the secondary amine is, friends, in secondary amine is 2 alkyl groups are present in there. So 2 alkyl groups are present in there. What happens friends? Cloudiness is very high. It means bulky groups are present in there. Cloudiness is very high. So in with compared to the primary amine and secondary amine is very high cloudiness. But with compared to the tertiary amine, okay friends, in this tertiary amine, what happens friends? Bulky groups are, it means alkyl groups are present in 3 alkyl groups. So electron approaches is cannot easily. So in this case, what happens friends? This is the less cloudiness. It means less cloudiness. What happens friends? Electron approaches is easily with compared to the secondary and tertiary. So this primary amine is a more basic with compared to the secondary and tertiary due to cloudiness. It means electron approaches is this primary amine is easily because of the one alkyl group is present in there. So in steric hindrance effect is explain the basicity order of primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary is more basic with compared to the secondary and tertiary. Okay friends, this is the explain the steric hindrance effect. Friends, in plus I effect is basicity order of primary, secondary is tertiary is more basic with compared to secondary and primary, but solvation and steric hindrance effect is explain the primary, secondary, tertiary amine basicity order is primary is more basic with compared to secondary and tertiary. Okay friends, in these two effects are explained the basicity order is like this, but plus I effect is order is like this. But in experimentally what happened there friends? Friends, in experimentally, the point 1 is, friends, in experimentally, in these R, it means alkyl group is C2H5. Friends, in alkyl group is C2H5, the basicity order is, okay friends, the basicity order, this is so much important. Basicity order is C2H5 to NH. Secondary amine is more basic with compared to the C2H5 3 and N. This is the tertiary and primary. Okay friends, C2H5 NH2. Friends, in the case I am talking about the what the R is C2H5. It means ethyl group is present in alkyl group. What happens, friends? The basicity order of primary secondary amine is like this. It means in these cases experimentally C2H5 it means secondary amine is more basic with compared to the tertiary and primary. Okay friends, this is so much important, friends, in so much important in so many competitive exams like AESET or MSc entrance exam. This point is very important. In alkyl group, it means alkyl group is ethyl group, secondary and amine is more basic with compared to the tertiary and primary. But in case, friends, in second point, but in case R is CH3, okay friends, R is CH3, what happens, friends? The basicity order is changes. The basicity order is secondary amine like this, CH3 to NH, and in the case R is methyl group, what happens, friends? Secondary methyl amine is more basic with compared to the primary. Okay friends, primary CH3 NH2 and tertiary. Okay friends, tertiary is very less basic. In the case methyl group is present in there. Okay friends, CH3 3N. Okay friends, this is so much important, friends. Friends, in case methyl group is present in their alkyl group, what happens, friends? Secondary is more basic with compared to tertiary and primary. But in the case methyl group is present in their secondary amine is more basic with compared to the primary and tertiary. Friends, this is so much important, friends. In experimentally, the basicity order is methyl group and ethyl group is present in the alkyl group. The order of the primary, secondary, tertiary amine basic nature is in R is C2H5. The order of basicity is secondary, tertiary, primary. Yes, okay friends. In these two are the explain the in aqueous medium. Okay friends, in aqueous medium, the experimentally explain the basicity order is secondary, tertiary, primary. In R is C2H5, but in R alkyl group is CH3. Secondary, primary, tertiary is more basic. Okay friends, this is the basic order of the methyl group is present in the amines, and this is the ethyl group is present in the amines. Basicity order is like this. Okay friends, in these three effects are explain the basicity order. Okay friends, plus I effect is like this, solvation effect and steric index. But in experimentally the basicity order is like this. Okay friends, this is so much important, friends. This is so much important concept in competitive exams. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click on bell icon, and please share with my videos your friends, and please subscribe. Okay friends, thank you very much. Bye bye.